Tommy's reviewing the, what's it called?
Milwaukee 9-inch grinder with wonky track and trace, like the government. Yeah, so if anyone robs it, I can, ooh, look, it's on its way up to Yorkshire. Look, right? Arrow's telling me which way to go. You spin the motor, it's going the same way as the arrows, but it feels like it's not cutting properly. Yeah, but look. Oh, it is cutting. It is cutting. It's not cutting like I want it though, and now the battery's overheated.
What'd you give it out of 10?
All at the moment. Dim at the moment.